Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to make Roblox in Infinite Craft. So, by the end of this video, you'll learn how to do them. Without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is to combine earth and wind to make a dust, and then after making a dust, we should combine earth and dust to make a planet, and then fire and planet to make a sun, and then fire and sun to make a solar. Then after that, we should combine it again with planet to make a system, and then combine it with fire to make a computer, and then combine it with system again to make a software. We should combine software and earth to make a game, and after that, we should combine it with computer to make a gamer. After that, we could now combine earth and water to create a plant, and then we should combine wind and plant to make a dandelion, and then we should combine two plant to make a tree, and then we should combine tree and dandelion to make a wish. After making a wish, we should combine it with tree so that we could make money. Next thing is that we should combine dandelion and plant to make weed, and combine dandelion and weed to make marijuana. We should now combine money and marijuana to make a business. After making a business, combine it with another business to make a corporation, and combine corporation and gamer to make microtransaction. After that, we should combine game and microtransaction to make pay to win. After making pay to win, we should combine fire and water to make a steam, and combine steam with fire to make engine. After making engine, we should combine it with sand to make a sandbox. After making a sandbox, combine it with planet to make Minecraft, and combine Minecraft with pay to win. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.